A very good morning, class. So, as you all know, we have started with Maths 2, lesson number 8, probability distributions, and we have finished maximum sums from exercise 8.1. So, continuing with the same exercise, there are in total 5 sums remaining, that is 5, 6, and 13, 14, 15. I'm sorry, 6 and 7 are remaining, 13, 14, 15. So in today's session class, we'll be covering the sums 13, 14 and 15. 5 and 6 will be continuing a little later. So let's start with the 13 sum class. Pay attention. Two numbers are selected at random without replacement from the first 6 positive integers. X denotes the larger of the two numbers, so you have to find expectation or expected value of X. Now two numbers are selected and they have told us that it will be out of first 6 positive integers without replacement. Okay. So basically first 6 positive numbers can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now two numbers are selected at random without replacement. So can I say n of s is equal to 6 square, which is equal to 36 possibilities we have. Now class, among these, the following numbers are not the larger of the two numbers are 6 of them. Because these numbers are same, neither bigger nor smaller. So those are 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So out of our sample space 36, ये 6 number चले गए हैं. So our new sample space will be 30. Because these numbers are not larger. You know, the following two numbers are the same. So now class, before we calculate E of X, we need the probability distribution table, right? Wherein we need the value of X and probabilities of X. So the first thing is we'll prepare the table X and probability of X. Now 1 cannot be the larger number, so we have not considered 1 over here. The numbers greater than 1 are 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the possibilities of X will be, in case of 2, the possibilities are 1, 2 where 2 is greater, or it can be 2, 1 where again 2 is greater. So formula of probability n of A upon n of S. So n of A is 2 and n of S, the new sample space was 30. So 2 by 30. In the similar manner, for 3, you have the possibilities 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So answer is 4 upon 30. For 4, you have 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. You have 6 by 30. Similarly for 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4. So you have total numbers 8 upon 30. Coming to 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 6, 3, 4, 6, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. So the total possibilities is 10 by 30. So your probability distribution table is ready, class. Now for E of X, we require 3 columns. Out of those 3, पहले दो हम बना चुके हैं. Now column number 3, 1 into 2. So you'll be multiplying value of X with the probability of X. So 2 2s are 4 by 30, 3 4s are 12 by 30, 4 6 are 24 by 30, 5 8s are 40 by 30 and 6 10s are 60 by 30. After this class, as you all know, we need the column of last one, that is summation of X into P of X. So this is the formula. E of X, that is expected value of X, is summation X into P of X, or in simple terms you can write summation of column number 3. As you all know, whatever you do, the total of probability should be 1. So our final answer is 140 divided by 30, 0 cancel. Answer is 4.667. So I hope you all followed sum number 13 class. Moving on to the next sum, sum number 14. Let x denote the sum of numbers obtained when two fair dices are rolled. Find the variance of x. So now this sum you have already done class. When two fair dices are rolled, you know what's the sample space, 36 again. Now we need the sum of the numbers. So minimum sum, that is 1, 1. Sum मतलब plus होता है, तो 1 plus 1 2 होता है. And what's the maximum sample space we could have over here is 6, 6. मतलब 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. तो अपने numbers क्या हो सकते हैं, 2 to 12. So let's have a look over here class. Two fair dices are rolled. So this is the sample space of the 36 numbers which you know how to prepare. So n of s is equal to 36. Now x denotes the sum of two numbers. तो जैसे मैंने बताया सबसे पहला सम होगा 1 plus 1, correct? So 1 plus 1 will give you 2 and आखिरी number is 6, 6. So this will give you 6 plus 6, 12. So the value of x is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need to remove the probability of these particular values. Now in order to find v of x class, again we need the probability distribution table. So सबसे पहले we'll be preparing the table like this. So the probability distribution table will be the first two columns x and p of x. So x में लिख दिया 2 to 12 all the values and probability of x n of a upon n of s. 2 आने के chances कितने हैं? Only 1. So the answer is 1 upon 36. 3 आने के chances कितने हैं? That you can check from here. This is the sample space wherein you can have a look. So basically 3 आने के chances is 2. So 2 by 36. Then 4 आने के chances is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 36. So there's a trick over here, as you can see, 1 by 36, 2 by 36, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, 5 by 36. And for 7, you have 6 by 36. This is the maximum limit. उसके बाद वापस से you can go in the reverse order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 by 36. So this is a very simple way to find out the probability of all the numbers to get sum of different numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This way the probability is prepared. Now your probability distribution table is ready. We have to find variance of x. So for variance, सबसे पहले तो we'll be preparing the expected value of x. So for variance, we need 5 columns. As you can see, I have given the heading. Out of 5, we have prepared 2. Now preparing column number 3. So 3 is nothing but expected value, e of x, 1 multiplied by 2. So these are the values, as you can see class, on multiplying. And then you have to do the total of the third column. So I can put the formula, e of x is equal to summation x into p of x, or summation of column number 3. So the answer is 252 by 36, which gives you 7. After that, for variance of x, we need x ka square. So the column number 4 is x square. After doing x square, column number 5 is nothing but multiplying both the even columns. 2 multiplied by 4. So you get all these values, as you can see over here. After getting all these values, you will add them and you get 1974 upon 36. So the formula of variances, I have already taught you all, expected value of x square minus expected value of x the whole square. Or if you can't remember this formula, summation of column number 5 minus summation of column number 3 the whole square. So 1974 upon 36 minus 7 ka square. So on dividing, you get 54.83. After decimal, 2 numbers are enough. Minus 49. So you get the answer to be as 5.83. So I hope class sum number 14 is also clear. Coming to sum number 15. A class has 15 students whose ages are 14, 17, 15, 14, 21, 17. These numbers are given to you. If X denotes the age of a randomly selected student, find the probability distribution of X. Also find mean and variance of X. So basically the ages of students are given to your class. So the first thing is we'll arrange it in ascending order first of all. After that, the maximum age is still 21. So we can assume X ka value can be 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, say 21 tak. Then we can prepare the probability distribution table because they have asked for it, and also 5 columns because they have also asked mean and variance of X. So let X be equal to age of randomly selected students. So here we have total students 15. So the sample space will be 15 over here. So the values of X fluctuate from 14 to 21. So the probability distribution table will be as follows. So in X you have 2, 14. So probability of X will be 2 by 15. In case of 15 there's only 1. So 1 by 15. In case of 16 it is 2, 2 by 15. 17 is 3, 3 by 15. 18 is 1, 1 by 15. 19 is 2, 2 by 15. 20 appears 3 times, so 3 by 15. And 21 1 time, so 1 upon 15. Total of the probability equals 1. Now to calculate expected value class, we need to prepare column number 3. That is 1 multiplied by 2. So 14 twos are gives you 28. Now there are 2, 14 doesn't mean you will multiply twice class. You have to just multiply it by a single number. 14 twos are 28 upon 15. 15 ones are 15 upon 15. Don't cancel any denominators and numerator. 16 twos are 32 by 15. 17 threes are 51 by 15. 18 ones are 18 by 15. 19 twos are 38 by 15. 23s are 60 by 15 and 21 ones are 21 by 15. So the column of the third, the total of the third column is 263 by 15, which is your E of X. So as soon as you do the total, you should always write the formula down and complete it. So as you can see, E of X is equal to summation X into P of X or summation of column number 3. So 263 divided by 15 gives you 17.53. After finishing off with me, next you can move to column number 4. So column number 4 is X ka square and column number 5 is multiplying both the even columns 2 and 4. So on doing X ka square, that is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. These are the squares of all the values of X. Then you will multiply 2 and 4. So 196 twos are 392 by 15. 225 ones are 225 by 15. And similarly, I have calculated values for all the X values. After that, you have to total the final column, that is 4683 divided by 15. This is the total of your final column. So the formula of V of X is equal to EX square minus EX the whole square, or summation of column number 5 minus total of column number 3 the whole square. So on substituting the values and dividing it after decimal, it comes to 312.2, and over here squaring also I have taken till 307.30. So the answer is 4.90. So with this class, exercise 8.1 except 2 sums are completed. I hope you all must have followed the first part wherein we completed what is PMF, what is cumulative distribution function of a discrete random variable. Discrete means those variables which can be counted, countable terms mein hote hain. In the next session, we'll be starting with another new topic. Till then, take care, stay safe, and please keep practicing. If any doubt, please let me know. If you feel that the video is beneficial for you all and it will be benefiting your friends as well, I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and share the link with all your friends. And I thank you all for supporting me till now, and I expect the same support in future as well. So class, I stop here for today. Stay tuned, keep watching my channel till we meet for the next session. Thank you so much class for listening to me. I stop here for today.